Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 11. First, let's start with some quick and easy solutions. A simple restart of your computer can often resolve minor software conflicts and temporary glitches. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable, as Roblox requires a reliable connection to function. Always check the official Roblox status page to confirm their servers are operational. Finally, close any background applications that might be interfering with the game. If the initial steps don't work, let's move on to software-related fixes. Make sure both Roblox and your Windows operating system are fully updated to their latest versions. Running Roblox as an administrator can grant it necessary permissions to launch correctly. Clearing the Roblox cache and temporary files can also resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Lastly, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for optimal game performance. When other solutions fail, a fresh start is often best. Completely uninstall Roblox from your system, then delete any remaining files in the App Data folder for a truly clean reinstallation. After reinstalling, try running Roblox in compatibility mode for Windows 8, which can sometimes bypass modern system conflicts. Also, disable any third-party software, such as Riva Tuner, that might be interfering with the game's launch. Finally, let's look at system and network-level troubleshooting. Temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall can help identify if they are blocking Roblox. Verify that your system's date and time settings are accurate, as incorrect settings can cause launch problems. If network issues persist, consider changing your DNS server address. Additionally, disconnect any unnecessary gaming accessories, as they can sometimes cause unexpected conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.